Hi friends, how are you? Hope this finds you well. It's been a while. I'm very excited to be here and show you my latest bead haul from Jessie James. So first, whew, look at this. So excited. We've got lovely autumn. It's called Cider House. This lovely autumn strand. Look at these bohos. I love these sparkly bohos and these crystals and the metal beads. Everything is just gorgeous. This is one of my favorite colors. Love that. Next, I have this really cool ombre chain. Look at this. How cool is this chain? Look at those great, awesome fall colors. Love, love, love that chain. And last but not least, this box of beads called Stone Age. So excited. So pretty. Wait until you see these. Look at that. Look at that gorgeous mix. How beautiful is this? Oh my goodness, look at these. Look at that. How pretty is that? Wow. So pretty. And there's these clay, I think they're stone or clay. And there's crystal and wooden and metal. All this. Oh, look at these. These are really pretty. How cool is that? Those flowers. So fun. And this is a Color Trends bead mix from Jessie James Beads, Stonehenge. Their ombre chain and their Cider House bead strand. How awesome is that? Thank you, JJB.